Hello kids. Students, do you know what are good habits? Students, a habit is something that is routine to you and that you repeat often without knowing it. Some habits are good and some are bad. Now we talk about good habits. Good habits include healthy diet and exercise, healthy sleep habits. Okay, students, here is a way to help yourself create a healthy habit. Firstly, decide on a goal. Choose a simple action you can take every day. Okay? Every time you encounter that time and place, take the action. It gets easier with time, and within 10 weeks, you should find you are doing it without even thinking. Okay, students, now we will talk about brushing the teeth. Do you brush your teeth daily? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Once or twice?
Twice, ma'am.
Twice. Students, now I'll tell you a story. Pontu's teeth. Okay? Pontu was a naughty bear. Okay? Like most bears, he loved eating. Bears eat many things. They eat fruits, nuts, honey, and even insects. But Pontu's favorite food was cherries with honey. He also loved chocolates. Cherries and honey are healthy food. Even chocolates are healthy if you do not eat too much. But they are both sweet. Do you like sweets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, which is your favorite sweet? Yes, gulab jamun. Good. Students, Pontu's mother worried about Pontu's teeth. Pontu had a nice shiny white teeth. Too much of sweets can give you cavities. Eat less of sweets, Pontu, she would tell him. And brush your teeth twice a day. But Pontu did not listen. He thought he had very strong teeth. Nothing can happen to his teeth. He said he only brushed his teeth when his mother asked him to. If she forgot, he would forget too. Okay? Students, one day when Pontu was eating a sweet, his tooth began to hurt very badly. He started crying. He called his mother, mother, again and again. She looked at his teeth. Mother looked at Pontu's teeth. One of Pontu's shine whitey teeth had a big black hole in it. Pontu was sad. Students, Pontu's mother took him to a dentist. Who is dentist? Do you know? Students, dentist is a doctor who treats our teeth. Okay, the dentist fixed Pontu's teeth and the pain stopped. Pontu get relief. Brush your teeth properly twice a day, Pontu. Otherwise, all your teeth will get cavities. Cavity is harmful for our white shiny teeth. The dentist then explained to Pontu how to brush teeth properly. Students, do you know how to brush your teeth properly? Would you like to know? Yes, students. Firstly, brush your upper teeth, then lower teeth, then in front of your teeth. Right? Good. Students, after that, Pontu brushed his teeth carefully every day. Twice a day, never again did he get any more cavities in his shiny white teeth. Students, brush your teeth twice a day. Okay, now I'll recite a rhyme. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Brush it twice a day. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Brush it twice a day. Mother, father, brother, sister, brush your teeth every day. Mother, father, brother, sister, brush your teeth every day. Students, brush your teeth in the morning and before going to bed. Okay? Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.